This video I'm going to walk you through how to save Snapchat photos to gallery. Before seeing this, open up your Snapchat. Now this photo, because I've not turned this on, which means you allow Snapchat to access your camera and local storage to take photos or videos, it takes screenshots and more. Tap on turn on. So here I'm going to give it a permission. Right now no permission is allowed, so tap on camera. Tap on accept the time if you like, or allow anyone using the app, it depends on you. And then tap on files and media. Then tap on allow access to media only. Take it back. And then you go back. So I've turned it on. So the next thing, it wants you to give permission to record audio. I'm giving you permission on this time. Access my contacts. So next thing I'm going to tap on is the top here, my profile card. Top. Now I'll go to right now to Snapchat. I've enabled the phone to be able to save Snapchat photos to gallery by giving it permission and giving it access to my files, gallery, and stuff like that. And I will save a Snapchat photo. So the next thing, once with my location I want to allow, I'll tap on save. Give it a few seconds to save. And now it's in my gallery. So if I go to my gallery now, tap on gallery, the photo is there. It's as simple as that.